In this video, we are going to show you how to add a product to your Shopify store. Now, of course, you need to be signed in. And once you're logged into your dashboard, I want you to look to your left-hand side. This is going to be your dashboard menu. I want you to focus on products, right? So click on products. This is going to bring you to your products listing page. And if you want to add something, or if you're new, you probably won't see anything here. So look to your upper right corner. This is going to be the add product option. So click on add product, right? So here, this is where the magic happens. So you want to add the title of your product. It's pretty much just like any other listing. So for example, green beanie, we want to sell a green beanie. There you go. This description, of course, it's self-explanatory. Just, copy and paste the copy here, or the description, the text, right? You can also actually, make it bold, italicized. There's a lot of customization, kind of like Microsoft Word or Google Sheets. You can also change colors of the text if you want. You can also add images here or videos. And then here, this is going to be the most important part, which is under media. So you want to click on either upload new if you have your own photos, or select existing if you want to borrow images on the internet. So for us, we're going to select existing. This pop-up will appear, and you can, again, add media is upload. The arrow down, drop down, this pop-up will appear. This is going to be, where you add a URL link to an image. So if you click on add file, it's going to be the same thing as this one. As you can see, it is uploading. It is now done. After that, click done. It's going to be added under media, or again, like what I said, you have an option to insert an image here on the description itself, but it's much more efficient if you use under media. And then category is going to be beanies and hats, right? And then you can just add how much it is. It's to say $100, and then just like go through everything, size, color, so on and so forth. After you're done, all you need to do is click save, and you have made your own product on your Shopify store. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.